wig cap is going to blow your mind. Like, seriously, why didn't I think of this? This wig is from ILikeHair, and I'm no stranger to ILikeHair. One of my most viral videos was me modeling a wig from them, and you guys loved it. I am so excited to share with you a major upgrade to your everyday glueless wig install. This wig features the all-new adjustable Velcro wig cap. ILikeHair understood the assignment, y'all. Keep watching for more details. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beige. If you are new here, welcome. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below before you leave. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this wig. This wig was sent to me from ILikeHair. I'll have all of their information, the coupon codes, and the direct link down below in the description box. The wig that I received is a 10-inch, 6x5-inch HD lace closure wig. This is a pre-everything wig. So the knots are pre-bleached, the hairline is pre-plucked, and the lace is pre-cut. This wig is cut into a bob, and it features ILikeHair's newest wig cap. Ladies and gentlemen, this wig cap is going to make it even easier to wear your new favorite wig every single day without the need of glue, tape, or gel. The adjustable Velcro cap's unique design will give you a comfortable and secured fit. The spandex Velcro strap starts on the side of the lace closure where the lace ends on both sides. This is very important because this is the only way to flatten your lace to your forehead without glue. Placement is important. If you have ever made a wig from bundles in a closure, then you know the importance of pulling the lace closure on both sides taut so that it does this. Companies have tried this before with the drawstring but fail at it because they don't connect the drawstring to the sides of the lace. Tension on both sides of the lace will flatten it and make it lay perfectly, almost as if it was glued down. So let's see it in action. Do you see how loose the lace is in the front? Now I am going to pull the elastic Velcro strap tight. Look how it instantly flattens the lace. There will be zero lifting with this new wig cap. Okay, so here is how the wig looks straight out of the package. I love how much movement this hair has. Look how bouncy this hair is, and it just flows and moves. So for the parting space, you get really deep center parting, and you're also able to do side parts as well within the lace closure. So for an up close of the hairline, although the lace has been pre-cut, there is still a bit of lace left. So I'm going to use my pinking shears to carefully cut in front of the hairline. So now I'm just going to tint the lace. This is always an optional step. I'm grabbing two different shades of lace tint. The first one is the shade of my foundation. I'm going to spray that on the underside of lace where my hairline is. And the second is the shade of my scalp. I'm going to spray that on the underside of lace on the inner portion of the lace closure. I'm doing two different layers of each color of lace tint and then blow drying after each layer. Now I am going to move on to styling. I'm grabbing a hair wax stick and I'm just going to apply that hair wax stick to the parting space as well as the hairline. And then I'm going to comb that product through and then use my pressing comb to smooth that product through. And this is just going to make sure that everything is smooth and polished and neat. This wig is perfect for beginners. As you can see, I didn't have to bleach the knots or pluck any extra hairs from the hairline. It's ready to go straight out of the package. So I do want to lightly go over the hair with my flat iron before I install it. And that is because the hair did take the shape of the packaging. This is going to make sure that everything is smooth and polished and all of the hairs are going in the direction that I want them to go into. Now that I am done, I am going to finish off this hairstyle by spraying a brushable hairspray. From the moment I took this wig out of the package, I noticed how silky and shiny the hair was. This wig was created using 100% high quality virgin human hair. I would definitely say that this wig is low maintenance and I didn't notice any shedding, which is great. The hair is also very full but lightweight, so it is perfect for everyday wear. Grabbing the wig, I'm just going to place it on my head in its proper placement, and I love how it looks already. Now I'm just going to adjust the Velcro strap in the back. This is definitely a believable wig. I love the fact that you can wear this every day without glue, tape, or gel. Does this not look like it's growing out of my scalp? If you have made it this far into the video, hashtag scalp in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I'll have all of the information, the promo codes, and the direct links to the wig worn in this video from ILikeHair down below in the description box. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them in the comment section. Let's chat everything this wig, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
Beige, Ojai. Yeah, that's right. It's beige, Ojai.